Good morning, everybody. Let's get started with our foundations lessons. Make sure you're in a place where you can focus and think and do your best work. Okay, repeat after me. Let's practice some of these newer sounds. TH, thumb. These are digraphs, right? Two letters, one sound. Digraph. WH, whistle. CK, sock. SH, ship. Shh. One more digraph. CH, chin. Ch. And here's our new green card. Do you remember what it's called? It's a glued sound because we have three letters glued together. And we try to do it as one tap, even though there's a couple sounds in there. Let's practice. ALL, ball, all. Very nice. And now over here to our standard cards. A, apple, a. B, b. D, d. E, ed, e. I, ich, I. J, j. N, n. O, octopus, ah. U, up, V, v. ALL, ball, all. Very nice, echoing and repeating those sounds. And let's bring up our vowels to sing. There we go. Okay, sing along with me. A, apple, a. E, ed, eh. I, itch, eh. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Great job. You're getting really good at the vowels. I can tell. And we know that the vowels are the pink cards, and every syllable and every word has to have a vowel. They're very important. So let's go ahead and build some words together. Does everyone remember what this sound says? All. That's right. Here's all. Now take a look at this word. Listen to me say fill. Can you tap out fill with me? Eh, ol. It only gets 3 taps because it has 3 sounds. Take a look. Eh, ol, right? 3 taps, 3 sounds, but we know that we have to add the bonus letter because that's the rule. When it ends in an L after a short vowel, you need the bonus L. Let's spell it out loud now. F-I-L-L. Let's not look at it and spell fill again. F-I-L-L. And if you sometimes see me looking up when I spell words, it's what's called my mind's eye. It's almost like your mind has its own little eyeball where it can see things. It can see pictures when you're reading. It can see letters and numbers when you're doing spelling and math. And the more we can strengthen that muscle in our brain and our mind, the better it's going to help us as we're learning. So we always want to keep trying to picture those things in our heads. Okay, let's try some more words. And all of the words that we're going to do are going to have all to start. So if you can go get your board so that you can build them just like me, that would be great. Okay, repeat after me. Tall. Let's tap it out. All. Build it. 2 taps, so just 2 cards. Start with spelling it in our heads, T, and then all. Spell that out loud, then build it. Check yours to mine. Let's tap it out and see if it's right. T, all, tall. Do you know any buildings that are tall or any people that are tall? Okay, we're going to change it around now. So you don't have to spell it away. We're still going to have the all sound, but we're going to change the consonant. Let's change tall to call. Tap out call with me. All. So we're getting rid of the T. And what will we use to replace it with? Okay, check yours to mine. Let's tap it out and check it. All. Call. Okay, let's change call to mall. Doop, 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 doop. The all is still there. All. We need to put the sound to make mall. Go ahead. Put your C back in the right spot. And show me mall. Let's tap it and check. All. Mall. Do you like to go to the mall and shop? Or maybe you used to? Let's put the M back. And sometimes you wear like a little sweater over and it's called a shawl. Shh, all. Find the digraph to put as the beginning sound for shawl. Check it to mine. Let's tap it and check. Shh, all, shawl. Okay, let's put the SH back and let's put the ALL back. Very nice. We're going to take a break from our boards so you can put them away. And we are going to do a whole dictation. So you should have your paper from your teacher. The paper is probably in a packet. It looks like this. This is what we'll use today. If you don't have this paper, you can use blank paper or you can use your whiteboard, but this would be my preferred choice. Okay, so go ahead and find your paper. Pause if you need a little bit more time. And up at the top, we will do 3 sounds. Repeat after me and write the sound. All. For number 1, write the sound all. Okay, check it with me. How'd you do? ALL says all. Number 2, repeat after me. Shh. Write the letters that say shh. You can look them up in your notebook if you're not sure. Take your time and then check with me and write down the correct answer for shh. Okay, and number 3, repeat after me. Ah. Write the letter that says ah. And you should have all shh, ah. Once that's all set, we're going to go down to the next line and do 2 words. Repeat after me. Lock. I need a key to open the lock. Let's tap out lock together. Ah, k. Notice the 2 fingers. I have a digraph there. Ah, k. Let's picture it in our mind's eye and spell it. L O K K K. Which one will it be? CK. Good. Go ahead and write it. And take your time making your letters. Lock. After you write it, can you please underline the digraph? And check that it looks just like mine. Pause here if you need more time to fix it up. Great job. And the next one. Repeat after me. Quit. Please don't quit. Keep working hard. Let's tap out quit. Qua. It. Now spell it in your mind's eye. Qua. What letters? I. What letter? T. What letter? Write it. Qua. It. And please circle the buddy letters. You should have a buddy letter in there. Okay, check it to mine. fix up anything that needs fixing. Let's read our words. Lock, quit. Okay, we'll do 2 more words. Here we go. Repeat after me. Wall. I put a picture on the wall. Let's tap out wall. All. There's that sound. Spell it for me. W. Now write it. Take your time. Okay, when you're finished, put a star over that bonus L and box in your glued sound. Pause until you have it perfect and check with mine. Okay, one more review word. Repeat after me, or one more current word. Kiss. Tap out kiss. K-I-S. Spell it. K. Yes, when the K comes before I, when it's before an I, it's usually a K. Kiss. Put a star over your bonus letter. Take your time and then check it with mine. Let's read our words. Lock, quit, wall, kiss. Okay, and we're on to our trick words. Repeat after me. Your. Number 1 for trick words is your. Look it up in your notebook if you need to. And number 2 is they, the noisy TH sound. They. Your, they. Pause until you have those done. Your, they. And check with mine. Let's read everything we've written so far. Read it with me. Lock, quit, wall, kiss, your, they. And now we'll end with a sentence. Repeat after me. Ed will kill the big bug. One more time. Ed will kill the big bug. Okay, watch me do my sentence frames. Ed will kill that's a trick word, big bug, and a period at the end. Ed will kill the big bug. You have 6 words. Pause and write your whole sentence. Okay, if you're back, I want you to tap out all the words you can tap out. The only one that's a trick word is the, and you can look that up in your notebook. Okay, if you've checked them all, I want you to now point to each word as I read it. Ed will kill the big bug. Check all your vowels. Did you start with an uppercase and put a stop sign, a period at the end? Okay. And you should have 2 words with bonus L's. Will and kill should both have bonus letters. You ready to check it with mine? Ed will kill the big bug. Pause here to fix up anything that needs fixing. And now let's scoop it. Scoop yours and read it. Ed will kill the big bug. Ed will kill the big bug. Nice job, everybody. The last thing I want you to do is read all your sounds and words. Then you can put your things away and be done with foundations for today. Great job. Keep up the hard work.